If you sneeze in a forest and no one is around, does it make a sound? Okay, I'm out for a hike in a deserted forest. The forestry office is closed for COVID-19, but the signs say that you must wear a mask. So because you can't go in the building, it must mean the forest. So that means they want me to wear a mask into the forest. I walked for 4 hours and saw not another soul. A deserted forest. As a physician, I thought it was okay to take your mask off outside if there was no one else around. Plus, look at all these other orders in the middle of the wilderness and no one around, deserted forest. That's why I asked the proverbial question. If someone sneezes in a forest and there's no one else around, does it make a sound? By Gary Ordog, MD. Please subscribe to my channel, Gary Ordog, GaryOrdog. Thank you for your support, and please stay safe. Appropriate precautions, masks, and